Guys, in this video, we are going to review slope and y-intercept and equation of line. And if I give you a line on a grid paper, can you find the equation of a line? But before we do that, we need to learn some terms. And these are reviewed from your earlier grades as early as grade 9. The equation of line is given by this equation y equals mx plus b. And the number here, m, that is called a slope. It's got another name called the rate of change. And the number here, which is the b, is called the y-intercept, or it's also called the initial value. Also in your earlier grades, you learned that m is the same thing as slope, and that's got a formula rise over run. So I have line 1 and line 2, and our task in this video is to find out how to write the equation of the line. So notice here each unit is going up by 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, the same way each unit on the x-axis is going up by 1 as well. So for clarity, let's write what x-axis is. That is the x-axis, and that is the y-axis. All right, so to find the slope, we need a rise and we need a run. So I have chosen 2 points. Notice that they're cutting across the grid there. So I'm drawing a line like that, and I'm drawing another vertical line. Okay, now I know that the vertical line is called the rise, and let's see how high it goes. It goes up 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes up 4. And the run here, it runs across 2 units. So for the first line, the slope is the rise over the run, which is 4 over 2, and that is 2. So the m value is 2 here. Let's identify the y-intercept. The y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. And in this case, the line crosses the y-axis here, and the coordinates here are 0, negative 3. 0 because the x value is 0, negative 3 because you have to go down 3 units to reach there, and this is your y-intercept. So we know that the b value is negative 3. Putting the two together, y equals mx plus b. The m is 2, so 2x, and the 3, negative 3. So this is the equation of the first line. All right, let's try and do the equation of the second line. And to find the equation of the second line, we need rise and run again. So what I've done is the purple line, I've already chosen 2 grid points. So you notice here, I've chosen grid point there. And so I'm going to draw a right triangle so I can find my rise and run from this. So from here, the rise is 3 units. But something very important at this point you need to notice here, whereas the line 1 was going upwards, it's going up, it's an increasing line. The line 2 is going down, that is, it's going down from left to right. So it's not, the rise is not going up, the rise is going down. So it'll be negative 3. Okay, and the run, if you count the number of boxes, that is 2. So the slope here is rise over run, that is negative 3 over 2. That is your slope, rise over run. And so what happens to the y-intercept value here? So the y-intercept is right over here, and it has the coordinates 0, 6, and this number is your y-intercept number. So the y-intercept number is b equals 6. And so the final equation for this line is y equals mx plus b, m, that is mx, plus b. And that is the equation of the second line. So with these examples, you should be able to identify the equation of the line if I give you a graph. So please follow through with the exercises from the sheet and see you in the next video.